throttle. So there's no gas, so we don't say gas any longer. I'll tell you to brake. Of course, as usual, the objective is to stay nice and tight to the orange cones. As tight as you can possibly be.
Launch control.
Give these guys a second. All right, let's go ahead and roll out. Tight to your first left apex.
Yes, sir.
And then tight to your first right apex. Driving right by it, accelerating out. Nice and tight on your left apex coming up. Coming back out wide right as we exit. There you go, staying wide right. Now back in, tight left to orange. All right.
There you go.
Now we're going to brake here. Turn your head, look through the corner, and accelerate out of it. There you go. Tight in on the right side. Smooth on your throttle. There you go. Keep it going, though. Tight in on this left. Don't go wide. Way too wide.
Whoopah.
Way too hot. You just clip cones. Left, squeezing throttle, accelerating through. Now, turn your head, look at that orange cone, and drive by it. Start accelerating smoothly. There you go. Now you can accelerate a bit. Tight in on the right, and accelerating out. Next apex on the left-hand side, nice and tight. Out wide right. Back in, tight left on this apex orange right here. There you go. Now brake here, then off the brake, turn your head and drive it out of the corner, accelerating through. Tight in on this right. Again, tight on the right here, keep on it. And this time tighter on the left right here, tighter. There you go, straight ahead this time. There you go. Let her roll.
Let's roll.
All right, so you got to keep it